Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
So, you studied here since when?
So I was a student of 1996 to 1998 batch, intermediate. So it's been 28 years now. So this is our alumni meet. So we're meeting the first 15 batches of Vignan Junior Colleges are meeting today to just reconnect, reminisce, relive the golden days of, plus one.
How do you feel to meet your friends?
So I haven't met many of them yet. People are just getting in here, but it's been really nice to meet the teachers and the administrators who have been there for so long in the Vignan system.
You feel excited or happy?
Oh, we feel very, very excited. And I've been one of the people in the core team, so we've been doing a lot of planning for this event, hoping it'll be a good event.
So, what was the nickname kept by your Vignanites?
So,
Any reason behind it?
no, I had no nicknames. No, unfortunately or fortunately, I haven't had any nicknames.
Any unforgettable incidents that happened in your
we-
schooling?
So I was one of the first, so I was the topper of my batch. So pretty much all the classrooms that opened after we moved here, I think I was the one who opened most of the classes. So it feels very nostalgic when you come back and look at all the buildings and see even the Shrikant sir's apartments where he lived, I think we lived there first before he ever made it onto campus.
So, you feel proud to be a Vignanite?
Always. Most of my closest friends are from Vignan. So I think it's a lifelong connection with Vignan, and I think we'll always be proud to be part of it.
Have you experienced a flashback once you entered Vignan? No.
Yes, definitely. I remember playing throw ball where that building is right now. That's where our throw ball courts used to be. We used to have prayer meets and everything there. I think all this was just not there at that time. So yeah, so we keep thinking back to those days, how the buildings looked at that time, and then what we used to do at that time. So it's a great feeling.
Any teacher or mentor who inspired you?
All of them. So they took a lot of personal interest in us. It was more like family. So when I fell sick, they used to come visit me at home. So and then when we stayed in hostel briefly during our MSET coaching. So my mom would call teachers and say she doesn't eat or drink milk in the evening. So teachers would actually come sit with me till I finished milk, so that I had the energy to study the rest of the day. So that's the level of care and affection they used to show towards them.
And how did Vignan prepare you for what you are now?
It definitely prepared. I think we studied, till 11th year. The typical school hours are from 8 to 4, right? So there are a lot of breaks, I think when you come to Vignan, a place like Vignan in 11th and 12th, I think we used to have really long days. We used to come at 8 in the morning and leave at 7:30 in the evening. So the hard work and
Hectic schedule.
yeah, the hectic schedules, I think you get prepared for that before you hit the real world. So nothing seems harder than what you've already done, and your system is already used to the timings of sitting at one place for so long. I'm a software engineer, so I sit and work all day. So I think Vignan has aptly prepared me for all that. I'm used to sitting 12 hours a day at school.
So I would like to ask a last question. If you get a chance or opportunity to live back here, which day would it be?
The day I joined, I think it was pretty exciting to come to an institute like this, and I would not want to relive the day we left here. But yeah, I think the day I joined was pretty nice, meeting all. I think I like meeting people. So the first days when you actually meet people, everybody's starting off at the same place. So the initial excitement that is there, I think it's very hard to capture those moments. What's your name?
Rajeshwari.
Nice talking to you, Rajesh.
Thank you, ma'am.